In today's trail guide, I cross a stream, ride a skinny, and take a trip. I'm out at Trexler Nature Preserve in Schnecksville, PA, very accessible from Philadelphia and surrounding areas. There are road closed signs all around when I was coming out, but you can drive through to get to the parking lot on Mill Creek Road, apparently, as it was full. This trail system has a decent amount of trails that are super fun and not very characteristic of southeastern PA. There's flow, smooth trails, and jumps. It's also very out in the open and not a lot of woods riding. Coming here in the middle of summer may not be the best option, as it would get extremely hot out. The best thing about these trails, in my opinion, are the very difficulty lines. You can roll all the jumps, go around all the obstacles, or even take the hard lines with steeper entries and bigger jumps.
How's it going?
There are a few major trails that I rode: Halfpipe, Brian's Trail, and Broken Arrow. Killdozer is another trail that I didn't really ride in full, and it's only open during the winter months, when the brush covering the trail has receded. It's also not very well marked, so keep this in mind.
Alright, jumping on the blue upper Halfpipe trail. See how this goes.
Halfpipe has a blue upper section, which features a well-built trail with berms and rollers that you can jump. It's not too steep and serves as a good warm-up for the rest of the park.
Well, this is legit. It's got some jumps.
Halfpipe Upper has a black section as well. More berms, bigger jumps, and faster descent.
Some nice berms here. I'm not going fast enough for this. These are like some pretty well-built berms, actually. Jump. Another jump. Little jump.
Halfpipe Middle is more of the same, but ventures into the woods and has a few more features to try out.
And a jump. And a jump. Roller. Muddy. Some pretty well-built trails here. Very impressed. Not sure what that log really does. Can't get some work on my brakes. They really aren't doing anything. Don't know if that's where I was supposed to go. But I'm about to find out. Maybe it's just a shortcut, maybe. Damn, these berms are huge. They're nice, too. Jump. Little shortcut, different lines. This place has everything. Very cool.
Halfpipe Lower is another black trail which continues the trend and shows off the impressive build quality of these trails.
Not bad, probably need a little bit more speed. Could have been worse.
Stay tuned for part 2, where I review the rest of these trails at Trexler and give my conclusions of the park as a whole.